SYSTEXX Active S38, the glass fabric for uneven substrates and quick renovation. So easy thanks to Aqua technology. The back of SYSTEXX products is already coated with adhesive that only has to be activated with plain water. Thanks to the surface structure, you can install SYSTEXX Active S38 directly on uneven substrates or old wall coverings, like, for instance, glass fabric. And you can't see the old substrate anymore. No preparation required, except when substrates or coatings of the old wall covering are unstable. Uneven substrates like those often found in older buildings only need superficial treatment. When there are holes, for example, please adhere to good painting practices. Afterwards, holes can be easily pasted over. Achieve perfect renovation results with SYSTEXX Active S38. Problems with cracked walls are also a thing of the past with SYSTEXX Active S38. The fabric covers cracks and also reinforces the wall. Often you cannot avoid having to pry open walls during renovation. No more time and cost-intensive smoothing after filling. A substrate with minor unevenness up to 2 mm is sufficient to achieve an optimal look. Designs upgraded with R-Factor are easy to apply. Proceed as follows. Cut the fabric along the corner and apply the first coat of paint. Leave it to dry, then sand the edges and apply the second coat of paint. For busy areas subject to considerable wear and tear, use corner beads. Level out the bead edges with filler, sand and prime. Start by hanging a length of fabric along the corner bead or cut it there. The application of SYSTEXX designs without R-Factor is even easier. You receive perfect outside corners if you sand the fabric along the edges, using a 300 to 400 grit wet sandpaper. Then wrap it around the corner and press it firmly to remove any bubbles. Finished. Interior corners will turn out perfectly when you cut them, and there's almost no waste. During renovation work, in hospitals for example, whole areas have to be closed off since dirt and dust are created. Not so with SYSTEXX Active S38, since substrates no longer have to be sanded. And working with Quick requires almost no space. So regular work can be continued while the renovation work is going on. SYSTEXX Active S38. Almost no filling and sanding needed. Less need to cover up thanks to cleaner processing. No dust or dirt created. Shorter renovation times. The quality of SYSTEXX Active S38 has been tested by TÜV, the German Technical Inspection Association, based on a wide variety of criteria. Vitrolan offers a 30-year warranty because of this. With SYSTEXX Aqua technology, you can't miss. Always saves you time and money. Discover the SYSTEXX advantage. SYSTEXX Active S38. The glass fabric for uneven substrates and fast renovation. Easy to do thanks to Aqua technology.